This is the assembly video for the Roadstar Deluxe from Daymak. To begin, use scissors or a knife to cut the straps around the box and then lift off the top. Put the back of the seat aside and then remove all protective plastic from the unit. Take the key from the unit and put it into the keyhole in the back, then turn it clockwise while lifting the seat away from you. Here you will find your Daymak gift bag, which includes your charger, mirrors, and a set of bolts. On the right you will find the circuit breaker. Flip this switch on. Next, cut the wires that are surrounding the tires. This next part you will need help from another person. Together, lift the unit out of the cardboard box with one person holding the front and the other holding the back. Make sure to have a good grip and not to lift from a part that can easily break off. Next, use an Allen key to widen the holes on the backrest of the seat. Take the rear trunk mounting bracket and put it in between the two armrests as seen here. You may need to spread the arms a little so it fits. Put a bolt through the top hole in the armrest, then through the top hole in the backrest, and lightly tighten it with an Allen key. Do this again on the other side. Push the seat down so the bottom of the backrest touches the seat, and put the bottom bolts in both sides and then tighten them. Tighten all the bolts and then plug the holes with these bolt covers. To put on the trunk, you will need bolts, washers, and nuts. Take the trunk locking mechanism and unscrew this piece until it comes off. Put the lock through the hole in the case so that the keyhole is facing out, and then put the piece back on and screw it so it's tight. Next, put a bolt and a washer through the 4 holes inside the case, making sure it is lined up with the holes in the trunk mounting bracket. Then put a washer and a nut on the bottom end of each bolt and tighten them with a wrench. Lastly, take the set of mirrors and screw each mirror into the holes on the handlebars. Keep rotating the mirror until it's almost in completely and the mirror is in a position that gives you visibility. Then take the bolt on the mirror and screw that in the rest of the way. Tighten it with a wrench, pull the cap over the bolt, and then do the same on the other side. Congratulations, your Roadstar is built and ready to go. Happy riding!